How to get a disabled Instagram account back. Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a method to get your disabled Instagram account back. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up any web browser here and search for account right here, Instagram account. Now, once you search for Recover Instagram, if you scroll down, you'll find the disabled Instagram account. Just tap on it. It will take you to the official hub center of Instagram. And now you can go through your community standards. So if you think that you have not violated any community standards, you just want to check out the community standards first and go through all of this. And from here, if you think someone has gained access to your account, you can visit this page. So tap on this link right here, and it will take you to another page. So just from here, tap on my account was disabled, and then tap on next. So if you think that your account was hacked and they disabled your account, or if you think your account does not follow the community standards, then you can choose these options. Me personally, I'm going to choose the second option and then tap on next. Now you can go through all of this, and then if it's still not helping you, then go ahead and tap on was this helpful? Tap on no, and then tap on other. So here what you're going to do is tell them that you are going to create a ticket, telling them that you have not violated any community standards and it was most probably a mistake, so you want to get your account back. Then you can just enter your username and then tap on submit. They'll get back to you on your email or your phone number. And then from there, you can proceed to get your account back. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys next time.